Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson, illustrated by Jane Chapman. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day and he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl, and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse pitter-patter-tiptoe creep-crawls in the cave from the fluff-cold snow. Mouse squeaks, "Too damp, too dank, too dark," so he lights weed twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind won't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" and a hare pops in.
"Oh, Mouse,"
says the hare.
"long time no see."
So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips, wee slurps, hare burps, big burps. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by and sniffs the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we could share?"
"I brought honey nuts,"
Badger says with a grin.
"Let's divvy them up, cozy down and dig in."
They nibble and they munch with a chew-chomp crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night!"
"What a storm!"
twitters wren. And everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter and they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, mouse seasons stew. Then a small pepper flick makes the bear achoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. The bear gnarls and snarls. The bear roars and rumbles. The bear jumps and stomps. The bear growls and grumbles.
"You've snuck in my lair and you've had all the fun. But me, I was sleeping and I've had none."
And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans. And the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks,
"Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see? We can pop more corn. We can brew more tea."
The bear gulps and he gobbles and he sighs with delight. And he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeps up on a crisp, clear dawn, the bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on.